Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the world of DIY terrariums and I'm going to show you how to create your very own mini ecosystem. It's a fun and creative project that adds a touch of nature to your space. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. The first step is to gather all the supplies you'll need. For this project, you'll need a glass container, pebbles, activated charcoal, potting soil, and of course, your choice of plants. Make sure to choose plants that thrive in a closed environment. Step 2. Layering the base. Now let's start with the layers. Begin by adding a layer of pebbles at the bottom of your container. This will help with drainage and prevent your plants from sitting in water. Step 3. Activated charcoal. Next, sprinkle a thin layer of activated charcoal over the pebbles. The charcoal helps to filter the air and keeps the terrarium smelling fresh. It's like the terrarium's own little air purifier. Step 4. Adding potting soil. Now it's time to add the potting soil. Create a layer of soil that's deep enough for your plant's roots. Make sure to research the specific needs of your chosen plants, as some may require more or less soil. Step 5. Planting your mini garden. This is the exciting part, planting. Arrange your chosen plants in a way that looks aesthetically pleasing. Consider the height and color of each plant to create a visually appealing composition. Be gentle with the roots as you place them into the soil. Step 6. Decorating your terrarium. Now that your plants are in, it's time to add some decorative touches. You can use small stones, figurines, or even tiny decorations to give your terrarium a personal touch. Get creative and let your imagination run wild. Step 7. Watering. Watering is crucial, but be careful not to overdo it. Since terrariums are closed environments, they require less water than traditional houseplants. Use a spray bottle to mist the soil lightly, and monitor your terrarium to ensure it stays humid but not soggy. And there you have it, a beautiful DIY terrarium. It's a fantastic way to bring a piece of nature into your home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what other DIY projects you'd like to see. Until next time, happy gardening.